see your grandma getting a cheese clap and there's a pack of this on the table?
Dad lolly.
Jamie Dodgers.
Jammy Dodgers, man.
The first drink we're gonna try today is Schlor. Is that how you pronounce it?
I think so.
Is that how you pronounce it?
Let me read it.
Yeah, read
Yeah,
it.
slower.
Schlor.
It's slow.
Schlor it is.
Slower.
Or AKA red grapes. We'll get straight into it.
Red grapes.
Red
Red
grape.
drink of wine tonight.
There you go, champ.
Thanks, B.
There you go, buddy.
It's red.
But this is black wine.
Is it wine?
Oh no, it's like Rabino, girl.
No, don't say Rabina. I love that shit, bro.
It's not bad, but
Tastes
it's
like
got a
old
sour
people.
taste
Tastes
to
like
it.
old people drink. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you find someone who's Emma's house, bro.
You bring it?
Yeah, bro.
So
That's
I'll
what,
say
your,
probably
that's what
like-
your grandma gives you with the crackers, bro.
Not my grandma, but yeah,
Yeah.
What did your grandma give you?
not that.
What did she give you? Want to know?
Rabina.
Rabino.
What are you rating it, bro? What are you
I'll
rating
say
it?
like a 4, bro.
A 4? I knew you were gonna say 4. But
It's fucking dead. You want me to lie?
It's not that bad, bro. Give it a 4.5.
This
guy,
guy.
It's pretty solid.
I'll give it a 4. Bro. This is-
Yeah.
Four?
It's not that great, bro.
Chat,
On to the
bro.
next one.
Sounds
And
Should have put this guy in the baseball team, by the way, he'd be catching.
the next one we got is Jamie Dodgers.
Jammy.
Jammy Dodgers, man.
What? Say Jamie.
Raspberry flavor, bro.
You thinking about it too
Jamie
long, man?
Dodgers.
Man's thinking about it too long, bro.
Bro,
Hey, reply back to the guy's DM.
you want to explain
Nah,
it.
this is you know them cookie boxes.
This is the one you with tea, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not tea, but it comes in the cookie boxes. All the different type of biscuits and shit.
Mm.
It sounds
Hey,
like-
this.
Right. 10 years later.
Damn, nigga.
this tastes like a jam sandwich, bro.
Mmm.
With
Very
milk,
dry.
with milk,
Yeah.
you're done for, bro.
This is putting it down.
Mm.
Straight to heaven.
Fucking put on TV, you good to go.
God damn.
What are you rating it, bro?
Put it down a lot. 7?
7?
It's good, man.
Mm.
This nigga's never gonna finish that shit, bro.
You need, but it's not an eating competition. You need to taste the taste, you know.
Yeah, we already did the tasting. Going, waiting for you. What are you rating it?
Now the jam hits, bro.
Yeah?
The biscuit is like it's killing it.
is
The
it dry?
biscuit is killing it. It's too dry, bro. And we had some milk on the side. Wow, this is what I got a 10 easily. Fucking good 8.5.
8.5?
Mm.
My honest opinion,
That jam shit is
yeah,
different.
the jam saved it. I'll give it a 9.5. It's pretty
What?
solid. Yeah, 9.5.
But it's
Honest
too dry.
opinion, bro. You can come on, man. Have a cup of water on the side. You'll be alright. Next, we've got. Okay, no way anybody's about to catch that. Dib, dab, dibby dab. Get straight into it, bro.
No artificial. No artificial. Oh, it's a lolly.
It's just like the whispers, bro. I told you.
What's whiskers?
Comes with a logo inside it. It's like shit. It's like fizzy.
I thought it was a spoon.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I legit thought this was a spoon.
So what? We just suck on it now, homo.
Pause, bro.
Up top, down low, your mouth. You Something about it does not feel right, bro.
Brother,
It was too
We
gay.
enjoying this too much.
Who's we, nigga? What's this we and we?
what does big French is? Brother, this is powdered sugar, fam.
Mm-hmm.
Powdered sugar?
No, nigga, powder.
Nigga, oh, the strawberries coming through.
You gotta get it. You gotta get
The
it
lolly is
washed
fucking
up.
strawberry. Wow, bro. What a genius idea. Hey, man. What the fuck? The sherbet is where's that, bro? What the fuck is this nigga tripping about?
Tastes like
Fuck this
flour.
strawberry, bro. Tastes like flour. Nah, bro. The sherbet is
Dude,
where's
there's no
that?
taste to it, bro. I swear to God, there's no taste.
Okay,
to
you
it.
taste buds check, bro.
He's not lying, bro.
There's no taste to it at all.
But
This is
fucking
what's
taste
saving
you
it.
shit.
What are you tasting, bro?
Sherbet, nigga.
What does sherbet taste like to you?
Tastes like sherbet.
They give him another 3, bro. That shit is useless,
Useless, yeah.
bro. I don't see
How about
nothing
yourself,
that.
champ?
I don't know about you dumbass niggas, but I say 8, bro.
Hey, I'll give it a 5.
Yeah,
Next we
let's
got
go.
Oh. Yeah. Get this guy signed.
Sign me, bro.
Bro,
What sport?
Baseball, eh?
Baseball?
Baseball,
Why not, bro?
cricket.
Cricket?
This is the granny lollies, 100%, bro.
The one that
Pack like
gives
this. Yeah, they go like this to you, look. After the whippy ass.
That's it,
Don't
yeah.
tell your mother.
Guy, sweeten it a little bit.
Sometimes they put in
You
your
fucking
pocket.
like. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody.
I'm not gonna lie, I rate anything like citrus flavor, bro.
Damn, this is nice. Mmm.
I'm
Oh,
rocking
this
I'm
is
rocking
nice.
with
Oh, you can't see the hole. But it's like a tiny little hole at the top.
If my step grandma gave me this, clap in the cheeks, bro. 100%.
What the fuck is that saying, bro?
I have no idea, bro.
Hey, if anyone from the UK want to adopt me, get the
Just-
cheek clap.
Give me fucking the dudes, bro.
You want leave.
And if, what?
Mmm.
This guy's
Niggas
slow, bro.
late, bro.
So I don't have hidden talents like you niggas, bro. I don't suck dick that hard, bro.
100%.
How about you, Jeff?
I don't know about that, bro.
You know,
I'm not grammars, I'm not grammars.
Honest opinion, this is, I would have to say, is the best we've had so far. Truly and honestly, I would give it a 10. 10 for sure.
Without a doubt, bro.
Without a doubt?
Unanimous.
Unanimous?
Unanimous.
Bro, easy.
10?
Easily, bro.
Easily?
I'll give it a 10. And I'll give it another 1 if someone's grandma gives it to me and I can go.
Yeah, D.
And
B.
yeah.
To the game.
That's EA Sport.
I know, but you know, because you guys are using a deep voice, you know, so I'm like, E.
Who's using that deep voice?
What deep voice you talking about?
You just gave me phone, bro.
Is it?
Oh, nah. Nah.
Smell like ass?
Why you giving me more? Why
You said you want more.
I said he gave me foam.
Everybody has it, bro.
Brother,
You're good?
Like it tastes like cola beer, but the fake version.
tastes like
Fake
watered
version.
down Dr. Pepper.
It's not something like I'll go and buy it
You definitely
personally.
don't want to smell it, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, the smell. I don't know what it's about.
That I don't know how to get that smell to taste like that, but it's crazy. What would you rate it? Ace, what do you reckon?
But I'll give it a 4 as well.
4? And
It's not
yourself,
better
buddy?
than Shula.
Nah, that slop shit, definitely not it, bro.
Nah?
I'll say this one is like
5,
4.7.
4.7. Not bad. I'll give it a 3. Next, we've got
Oh,
another
just
catch.
wrap them, bro. Caramel wafer biscuits.
Damn, bro. Looks like a
See,
brick, bro.
this look like some sugar, bro.
Yellow? No, I'm not
this
kidding.
is covered up.
That's
Yellow?
pretty solid too.
Well, you know, fuck around my
DH.
brick yesterday, bro. Relax your throat, bro. This shit is fucking fire, bro.
You can't eat that?
Tough to be you, nigga. Man,
I can't do it.
this is fucking fire, bro.
God bless whoever made this, bro.
Mm.
If you can't eat chocolate like this, fella, stay at home. Shouldn't be out here in the streets.
You won't build for this, bro.
You're not that guy, buddy.
Tonics. Yeah, outdone yourselves, bro, with this shit, bro. Genius. The layer by layer caramel. Fuck, bro. It's like a mini lasagna, but sweet.
I've never had lasagna like this in my life, bro. It's fucking biscuits that compared to lasagna. It's not crunchy, it's soft.
No, but it has the crunch.
No,
If you take a bite at the beginning, it goes karak and then it starts going soft. You know? I swear. Listen.
That's no.
That's crunch, I ain't gonna lie.
Is it?
I'm gonna give that shit a 10 out of 10. Nah, I'm fucking around.
No, that wasn't a crunch.
That was a crunch.
What the fuck? What do you call it a crunch?
You're like, ah.
Hey, you
What are you rating it?
100%.
10? I'm giving it a straight 10 as well, bro. Nothing below that.
nigga, it's a 0. Chocolate's dunsies, bro.
Next, we've got another chocolate. Yorkie.
Sit out.
Oh my god, bro. I got to give something to the UK, bro. Representation. Blow this shit. Damn.
The presentation, bro, they're going hard for the quality, bro.
Yorkie.
Dog, that sounds like it hurt your teeth, bro.
Who's?
Some niggas, when I heard that bite, bro, it sound like it hurt some of my teeth. Like I'm big.
It's just plain chocolate, bro. I give him like 9.7. Chocolate, bro. You can't hate on it.
Yes, you can.
What, you telling me it doesn't stand out any other way?
It's normal
Taste-wise?
chocolate. Nah, it's exactly like normal chocolate. Tastes like Milky Way to me, bro.
Okay. I'll give it a 7.5. Next, we've got. Man, have I ever missed a catch?
Sign this guy up. What are you making YouTube videos for, bro? Go join the baseball
I'm
team.
in the work. We've got Jelly lots, isn't it?
Hey,
Surely that's the L.
I'm your autocorrect.
Wait, hold up. Thoughts?
I'm your
But
autocorrect.
thoughts? This guy needs to work at the butcher shop, by the way, he's butchering all these words, bro.
What is it? Jelly what?
Jelly
Toots.
tots.
Oh, brother, that's one low, fam. Tots.
Thoughts?
But we have to use our hands.
Oh, yeah, I can already tell I'm start rocking these.
Don't put it back in there. What the? When you eat from something and then put it back in?
Yeah, but I definitely put it in my mouth, eh?
The green one's actually fire.
It's a waste of space.
But it's too chewy, man. It's
It
way
makes
too
your
fire.
hands sticky. Bro, they went off, bro.
Brother,
It's got too much sugar on there.
They need to have a little sour in there, bro. It's not it, bro.
these niggas are going Gordon Ramsay on this fucking lolly.
It's
God
not it,
damn.
bro. It's definitely not it. The packaging is whack.
That's a solid 2, bro, because
Solid two?
two of the flavors were good,
Yeah, I'll give it a 4.
2.
bro.
Okay.
No way it's a
Yeah, I
mess.
couldn't catch that one. Just don't worry about signing me up.
Cancel that contract.
Nah, this guy's he knows how to be a businessman.
Bro, what do you want me to do? Go like this. That is what you call a peasant, bro.
That cat is
That's what you call putting both hands. That's what you call a peasant, bro.
See, bro, that's how you put your hand down, bro. Know what you do, bro.
Nah, what the hell is this?
For you to
That's
sit
fucking
there
gum, bro.
and enjoy that, something's wrong with you in the head, bro. You need to get yourself checked.
Yeah.
What would you rate a champ?
2.
2? I say 1, bro. Is this
That's next
what
level.
is so
1, bro.
1?
Yeah.
Everybody's giving that a low. The last item that we've got in store for this video is bubble
Nah,
gum.
you just suck that shit.
Bubble gum. Bubble gum.
Bubble
Bubble
gum.
gum. Bubble
No,
gum.
no.
Bubble gum. Bubble gum. Bubble gum. Come on
I
now.
wish we knew the lyrics so we could have finished it off.
I didn't know the lyrics to that one, bro. I thought it was gonna spaz out.
How did it not spaz? I think it was ass.
Ooh, smell.
I
Blue.
can't see it. Your hand was in the way. Your hand was in the way. That is why.
Up top, last drink. Let's go for the bang.
Cheers to freedom.
Cheers to a great night.
Huh? Nigga said freedom. Abraham Lincoln had.
Yo,
Bro, we're not playing with this, bro.
this is straight fire for $1.
60 cents.
50
$1 is 2.
59.
Or 2 for
Is it-
damn. What a bargain.
60 cents.
I'm going for round 2, bro.
That's what they mean.
Yeah, they
Want
just...
some more?
Nah, bro.
Want some more?
Mm.
It's nice, eh?
Definitely better than whatever that was.
I promise you, if that shit had sugar in it, it'd go hard, bro.
Let's go add some
You
sugar in
cancel the
it.
sugar tax. You're stupid as fuck, bro. Sodas with no... I bet this shit...
Damn, they added soap in this? That's crazy.
You're a liar.
Yeah. Let's go soap.
They switched that soap. They switched that sugar for soap, man. These man guys are just
Bro, they're
crazy.
trying to keep me heavy, bro. Damn.
Sugar-free shit is mad.
My honest opinion, bro, bubble gum, bubble gum, I'm rating it a straight 9.5. That shit was straight fire.
Okay, now
It's straight fire.
he needs to go to the doctors, bro.
Why?
Your taste buds is dead. You rating that 9.
0.5.
Lost the plot.
Come on, bro. This is better
Definitely.
than. This is better than.
Nah, bro, this-
Honestly, this is better than Fanta.
Are you
Honestly,
fucking
Fanta.
delusional?
Holy shit.
Wouldn't you think
Have you
so?
lost your goddamn mind?
Wouldn't you think so?
Come on,
You
bro.
fucking lost it.
Come on, bro. You
Exactly.
love bubblegum, bro.
Better than
Okay, Ace.
Fanta?
Now, with sugar, is it not better than Fanta?
Oh, with sugar, good hard.
You didn't
But-
How do you know what God? You didn't even taste with
I
sugar.
don't know, but if Fanta came out with a bubblegum version like that, it would taste better than OG Fanta, bro.
What about
Sugar?
Fanta grape?
Yeah,
that's
So now you're taking...
Nah, that's advanced. That's
This
like
guy going
advanced.
for the...
Yeah.
He know I'm a black man.
you know it, bro.
And you know niggas need that Fanta grape, bro. That shit.
Yeah, I must. Man, I say this is 6, bro.
6?
I'll give it a 5.
5?
It's better than the other drinks.
Yeah, it's better than others.
So the best drink so far
Yeah,
tonight?
it's the best
Yeah.
drink so far, but it's not that.
But
good.
it's 6. It's not like something like
Nah,
if I
but-
see it in the shop and I know what it tastes like, I'm not gonna go buy it.
If I had a choice to drink water or this, I'll drink water.
Damn.
That's how you know it's fucked up. Because if I had a choice to drink between water and Pepsi Max, I'm drinking Pepsi Max all day.
I'd rather drink this than Pepsi Max.
I'd
Pepsi
rather
Max is
drink
whack.
Pepsi Max.
Pepsi Max actually nice.
Pepsi Max.
You can't down.
Bro, Pepsi Max. The only time you can drink Pepsi Max is from KFC because they force it on you. There's no other option to drink. They force it on you.
Yeah,
bro.
now
You tell him,
now
you tell
to
him,
like
you tell him I
number
want
one.
7 up.
I ordered Mountain Dew. They gave me Pepsi Max. Make that make sense.
The one you're on a diet, bro.
Bro, this fucking is dead, bro. It's dead.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That's it for the video, guys.
Don't get it twisted, I was built for this. Money motivated, I was feeling shit. I remember falling, but my niggas never let me stick no petty shit. Word to send me, bitch. We was zooming around the block and at the music playing shit. I remember